And here we are, down at Fylde Boat Angling Club. Oldest boat club on the Fylde coast. That's our tractor store. And that's our clubhouse, which is also a licensed bar. There's the slipway onto a lovely beach. Easy launch. Little nosy into the tractor store. We see 2 4-wheel drive tractors, 2 2-wheel drive tractors, 4 tractors in total. It's Tuesday night, so it's club night. Club is open every Tuesday. That's our clubhouse. It's been a multitude of uses over the years, but we've had it for the last 40 years or so. Up the steps. And that's the pub, open every Tuesday, 7 till about 9 or 10, depending on how many's here. That's Fylde Boat Angling Club. Excellent club, very friendly, and boat membership is only £95 a year. Come down on a Tuesday night and have a chat. We're at Little Bispam on the Prom.